I live in Korea, which means glowing up is pretty easy since everything is so accessible and cheap. And yes, sometimes the healing process isn't the best, but it's well worth it. So I'm gonna show you a couple things I did this month to glow up. Hey guys, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you all the things that I do on like a monthly basis. But essentially, I just want to show you guys what's out there. If you are coming to Korea or living in Korea, you will know that things are a lot cheaper here, a lot more accessible. And a lot of people also want to know about my skincare routine on TikTok and also my makeup routine. So that's included in this one. I mainly use like Korean products. So again, if you're coming to Korea, visiting Korea, living in Korea, this is all accessible to you here. Hence why I'm calling it glowing up in Korea. And I don't want to hear anyone be like, why do you have to specify it's in Korea? I just want... That is the reason, because it's in Korea, it's accessible in Korea. So yeah, let's get into the glow up. So first, we stopped off at Wonderful Plastic Surgery Clinic in Cheongdam. They kindly invited me to try out their Rejuran injections, and I've literally been wanting to try this out for so long. I have a lot of skin laxity and just lines and wrinkles underneath my eyes, so I wanted a lift without actually going under the knife. And what it basically does is inject salmon DNA, which is known to tighten the skin, moisturize the skin, thicken the skin, help you with pores. It's basically, it does a lot of things at the same time, and a lot of celebrities actually get this done, which is why you will see a lot of them have the most glowiest skin. It's because they get Rejuran done. So basically you get a bunch of tiny little injections injected and it doesn't really hurt. I will say I received maybe 50 injections per side. It, like I said, didn't hurt. It just felt a little uncomfortable. It actually wasn't that painful. It was just uncomfortable because it was so like close to the eye.
Right.
But pain wise, it was actually like a 3.
Oh really?
3
Out
out
of
of 10.
not out of 5? Out of 10?
No, out of 10. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
이거 거스드릴게요.
Yeah, I think like the doctor also, he did it very gently and yeah. Okay. Good job,
How do I
Annie. Look great.
So, sorry, I have my retainer in. But basically this is what we're working with right now. This eye looks oh my god, let me take out my retainer. 1 sec. So as I was saying, this side looks a lot better than this side. Both are still swollen. I actually really like this side because it filled out some of the hollowness I had, but I know it's mostly swelling. And yeah, I have a little teeny tiny bruise. So right now wow, I don't look so good. But apparently I should be able to see results within like a week or something. So let's see. Oh, and I'm not supposed to put on any makeup, which is why like I look like this. Like I don't want to put any pressure on like my under eyes or anything like that. So I'm having to go outside like this. Okay, next up, we're getting my eyelashes and my brows laminated. And I love getting this done so much. Oh, and I also got my nails done. I didn't film that for some reason, but I'm so obsessed with this color. I went for like a pink Hailey Bieber vibe. But anyway, so we are on our way to my friend's lamination place. It's called Manda, situated in Mangwon. She has the most aesthetic little clinic slash studio. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, my eyelashes tend to be very straight, and even when I curl them, they don't end up staying curled. So I love just getting them permanently curled upwards. It makes things so much easier. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, I look like I am wearing makeup. This is the after, and I'm obsessed. This is crazy because I'm not wearing a lick of makeup and I look like I'm wearing makeup. So for all the people that have been asking, this is like the official non-sponsored skincare routine. First, I go in with the Numbuzin No. 3 toner. I love this because it gives me the glowiest base. And again, like a lot of people ask me because I tend to have quite glowy makeup, even though all of the products that I use are quite mattifying, and it's always skincare. Like, your skincare determines how good your makeup looks. And as you can see, like, this is almost finished. Next, I go in with an essence, and I really notice a difference when I don't use this. So Skinfood actually sent me this particular thing in PR. Used it, loved it, used it up, went and bought it with my own money again. Because I feel really weird asking brands like, hey, can I have some more? So I just go out and buy it. Okay, so next we are using the famous Medicube booster shot device. Some people might be like, oh my god, like, Annie, you're doing too much. Well, I don't think people are doing enough. So I grab 3 serums. This changes depending on what my skin is going through. So at the moment it's quite dry because it's cold outside. So I'm using the Tardin Dive-In Serum, the Glow Deep Serum by Beauty of Chosun, and then the Numbuzin Skin Softening Serum. I pair it with this. This is the reason why it goes into my skin, because the way it works is like wavelengths, makes tiny little holes into your skin and makes sure that all of your products go into the, I'm explaining this really badly, but basically it like boosts all of the benefits by, if I remember correctly, like 450%. Let's get started. So I just focus on one side. So I do like 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, and then I just go over for the next 2 minutes around my whole face. Okay, the sunlight is giving, so we moved locations so you can see the glowiness. So this is just serums without anything else, and this is why my skin always looks so glowy, even though I primarily use mattifying things, like mattifying makeup. So then I go in with the Numbuzin number 4 full nutrient firming cream. This is quite like a thick feeling cream, but I need it because I do have like dry combination skin. I don't even know anymore, to be honest. I think it changes with the seasons. Right now it's dry. And then we're almost done. Last I go in with some sunscreen. At the moment I really love the Beauty of Chosun one. This one I've noticed does like add to the glow. Like, remember, like all of the stuff I put on my skin has been specifically for this glowy look. This definitely adds to the glow. It gives you the nice, oh my god, take a shot every time I say glow, but this gives you the nicest glow. And then another one that I really love, which I'm also like, I'm running out of both of these because I use them so much, the Pure Full Calming Water Sunscreen by Numbuzin. This one is really good if you have sensitive eyes. Like the way that I put on sunscreen is like a boy almost. Like I put it on over my eyes because obviously I want UV protection over my eyelids as well. So this one doesn't sting your eyes if you have that issue. This one I would be a little bit more careful, but again, this one gives you that glow. It is the end of the day, so I'm not gonna put on as much as I usually would, but I want you to still see like how it performs on the skin, I guess. And oh, and in case you're wondering, no, it doesn't give a white cast. Okay, now we are going into the makeup routine. So with my skincare, it's strictly Korean. My makeup routine is, I would say, like a 50-50 mix mash of Western brands and Korean brands. So let's get into that. So first I go in with CC Cream by IT Cosmetics. I love this. I keep calling it a foundation. It's not a foundation, it's a color corrector, but you use it as foundation. And look at what it did for my under eyes. Like, next I'm gonna go in with the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS. All of the stuff that I've been doing throughout this video has just caused me to not need as much product on my face. So I just go give it some shape, and because my eyebrows are laminated, like I don't have to use brow gel or anything like that. I just brush them into place like where I want them and they stay like that. So remember how a lot of my skincare stuff is Numbuzin? They have like a makeup company as well called Fui, and I got invited to go to their grand opening of their physical store, and I got to go and try out some of their products, and they gave me some. It's a lip and cheek combo, and they gave me this little brush as well, so I use it for my cheeks, and it's just like such a pretty color. turns into this like matte type of blush that I've never seen like it in consistency with other blushes. So I had foundation on my lips earlier and it was definitely messing with the color a little bit. Oh my god. I just used the brown color and it has like little specks of gold in it. Lid and crease. Like whenever I would curl my lashes, it wouldn't really do much and it would be so annoying. Like it was just an extra step that I didn't want. And then what I like to do is I use like a little half lash. So this is the final makeup look. Next we are doing hair. Pretty much all of you know I will hair extensions because my hair is lacking in the hair department. I don't know. I love long thick hair, which I do not have. Okay, I'm quickly losing daylight, so I'm gonna have to speed this up. Okay, you can't really see my hair, but here it is. I'm like squatting down, so this is a stress position for me, but here's my hair. I would say it blends pretty nicely into my natural hair, so it's my hair because I bought it. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here as I'm like squatting down into a stress position, but this is the final look of my Korean glow up because I live in Korea and I use all of what Korea gives me access to, so that's why I'm calling it In Korea, Glow Up in Korea. The final result of this month's glow up. Maybe I should make it into a series, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.